Okay, welcome to the session. This camera adjust a bit. Yeah. So make sure there's enough space around you or no obstacles, nothing. Okay, so you know your surroundings. So just follow your body as well. Don't overdo. So we'll start with loosening of the joints and then raising the pulse. So rotate your neck right to left slowly. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out as you come down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Left to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. One more time. Left to right. Okay, your shoulders back. Make a big circle. Forward. Arms forward. Biceps touching your ears. Arms backward. Your hands on your shoulder. Bicep touching your ears. Then elbows touching and shoulder blade touching on back. Backward. Okay, elbows front and back. Rotate your elbows in one direction. Change direction. Wrists in one direction. Change direction. Your fingers. Okay, hands on your waist and rotate your waist clockwise. Make a big circle. Other way around. Okay, hands on your knees. Keep your feet together and still, and then rotate clockwise. You might feel the crackling sound. That's like releasing the air between your joints. Other way around, anti-clockwise. Okay, now open and close. Open, close, open, close. Now outside in. Okay, just stand up. Lift your right leg and rotate your ankles in one direction. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Change your leg. Rotate ankles in one direction. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. That's it. Now shake your body and then slowly start jogging. Arm movements, leg movements. So slowly build up the speed. Breathing, breathe out through your nose. Okay, increase the speed. High knees. Heels back. Normal jogging. Alternate arms and hand arms, legs. Side twister. Jumping. Forward skipping. Backward skipping. Star jump. Slow down. We'll do breathing. Just shake your legs. We do Swaswayam. So your feet together, palm on your side. Deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up on your toe. Hold, breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up on your toe. Breathe out. We'll do Satat Yog Prakar Do, front one. We all know the drill. So we'll start. Satat Yog Prakar Do, Kuru. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 15 16 left right both up left right both up. Keep your legs, your hands together, arms up, breathe in, down, breathe out, up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Okay, we'll do wood chopper breath. So everybody knows, pretend like you are holding axe, legs shoulder width apart. When you go down, you can bend your knee as well. So deep breathing from nose and exhale through your mouth. 10 to 12 times at your own speed. Hold your breath for some time. Next one is the pumping Bhastrika. So hands faced on your side and then 10 to 12 times at your own pace, but only through nose. Now no mouth. Okay. Start. Just relax. Now that body is warmed up nicely, we'll do some dynamic stretches before the Surya Namaskar. Breathe in, head up, down. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Back to front, to left, front, right, front, tilt to left side, front to right side, right arm across, stretch, left arm across, stretch. Okay, hands back, push your elbows and hold from back, stretch, left arm up, push from elbow, hold, sideways, four times both side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spread your legs roughly the length of your feet from waist to toe. 8 times both sides. 4, 4. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go on right side. Push. First, stretch your calf muscles and hamstring. Then slowly go down. Hold your left toe. Stretch the other leg's calf muscle and hamstring. Breathing up onto left side first. Sideways. Now go down. Hold your big toe. Now two times up and down. Breathing up. Breathe out right. Breathing up. Breathe out left. Breathing up. Breathe out right. Breathing up. Breathe out left. Now breathing up. Last ones. So right leg in front. Hold your big toe, stretch your calf muscle, hamstring muscle. Touch the floor and sweep the floor with your hands. Get a bit further forward. Hands on the floor, forehead on your front knee. Breathe up, change your leg, left leg in front. Bend your back leg, hold your big toe, touch the floor, sweep the floor with your hands. Get a bit further forward. Hands on the floor, forehead on your front knee. Breathing up, relax. Your body is now nicely stretched up. So we'll start with Surya Namaskar. I'll put the camera down to begin with. I'll be playing the soft music on the background. So everybody in Arama, I'll be saying Surya Namaskar Siti, copy me. Surya Namaskar Siti. Join your heels, then your toes, and Namaskar onto your chest. Wrist parallel to the floor, and then concentrate on your nose tip. I'll say the slok. You can say in your mind after me. Om Dheya Sada Savitrumandalam Madhyavarti Narayana Sarasija Sanasannivishtaha Keyuravan Makarakundalavan Kiriti Hari Hiranmaya Vapurdhuta Shankachakraha Om Mitraya Namaha. We'll start. Breathe in, ek, go up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, up. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Om Ravaye Namaha. Ek, go up. Go down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Breathe out. Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Om Bhanave Namaha. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Right leg back, inhale. Left leg back, exhale. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg in front, inhale. Left leg in front, exhale. Inhale, back to Namaskarasana. Om Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Om Pushne Namaha. Ek, up. Go down. Right leg back, 3. Left leg back, 4. Hold your breath, 5. 6. Cobra. 7 downward dog, right leg in front, breathe in. 8 left leg in front, breathe in, back to Namaskarasana. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Ek, breathe in up, breathe out down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out all the way back. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Om Marichaye Namaha. Ek, up, do, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in up, breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Om Savitre Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, all the way back. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Om Arkaya Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, Namaskarasana. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Ek, up, do, down. 3 right leg back, breathe in. 4 left leg back, breathe out. 5 hold your breath. 6 breathe in, cobra. 7 breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Up, Namaskarasana. 13th one now. Om Shri Savitru Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Ek, up, do, down. 3 left leg back. 4 right leg back. 5 hold your breath. 6 breathe in. 7 breathe out. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasana. Now just relax. We'll do next some more. So just take some break. You can leave the position if you want for 10-15 seconds. We did 13 so far. This one I will check on you if you want. You can turn your camera on if you want me to check your position, and then I'll talk about it, and then we'll continue. So yeah, everybody get into position. Namaskar, Sthiti. Okay, so this time is right leg will go back and right leg will come forward. Okay, okay. Breathe in, ek, go up. Breathe out, down. Hand touching the floor. Breathe in, right leg back. Look up, Try to look up. Yeah. Breathe out, left leg back. Keep the straight line. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Hold your breath. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out downward dog. All the way go back. Now right leg will come forward. Breathe in. Left leg forward. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Okay, good. So we did 14. We'll continue now. So now I'll say just the count and start. No breathe in, breathe out. Okay. So start. Breathe in. एक, दो, left leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7. Left leg in front. 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. Breathe in up. 2. Right leg back. 3, 4, 5, 6. Right leg forward. 8, 9 and 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. 2, 3. Left leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in 1, 2. Right leg back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right leg in front. 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. 2, 3. Left leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7. Left leg in front. 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did 20 so far. We'll do at least 4 now. So breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Breathe in up. 2. Right leg back. Left leg back. 5. Breathe in. 7, 8, 9, 10. We did 24. We'll do some more. If you can do it, you can do slowly as well if you want. Okay, we'll do at least for 2 minutes. Guru, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two more and it will be 30. Start. Breathe in, breathe out. Left, right. Hold your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Left, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Start. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, left leg. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg, left leg. Breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. We did 30. I think this is good. It's 8 o'clock. So, in 15 minutes, we did 30. It's not very fast, not very slow. We did in perfect speed. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Your heart must be pumping very fast, but calm down, calm it down with your breath. I'll be saying the ending shlok. You can say it after me in your mind. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine आयु प्रज्ञा बलम वीर्यम तेजस तेषां च जायते. Rama, 1, 2, 3. Just relax for 30 seconds. Today we'll be going lying down, facing up, asanas, all the ones. So adjust your camera or anything if you want.
Ajay, how many surveys can be completed today?
30.
Okay.
Yeah, 30.
Okay.
Okay, so today we are going to do all facing up. It's called Urdhva Mukha Asan. Yesterday we did Adho Mukha facing down. So yeah, basically lie down completely on your back. So we'll start with some just leg exercise. So lift up your legs, perpendicular to floor, down slowly, but don't put it down now. Keep it in the air. Again, lift up, down. One more time, up, and then slowly now down. Put on the ground. Relax, relax. We'll do start with Pavan Muktasan with single leg. So right leg, lift it up, hold it tight towards your chest, your tummy. Now forehead touching your knee. Forehead touch your knee. Go back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Chin touching your knee. Breathe in. Back. Slowly get the legs down. Change leg. Left leg. Get it up. Hold it nicely, firmly onto your tummy, onto your chest, near your body. Now breathe out and forehead touching the knee. Breathe in. Up. Down. Basically. Breathe out. Chin touching your knee. Breathe in. Back. Get the legs down. Now we'll do the proper full Pavan Muktasan air release pose. So both legs up, close to your chest. Lock them nicely. Now breathe out and forehead touching your knee. Breathe in, back. Now chin, breathe out, chin touching your knee. Stay here. Breathe out, breathe in, back. Now swing forward, backward. You should feel nice massage onto your back as well. Now slowly stop. Now left, right, sideways. You massage to your ribs. Just put your legs down. Keep the knees up. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. It's very good for your abdominal muscles, core as well. And also, if there's any gas problem, anything, it helps with that. Now, next one, we'll do the bridge pose, Setu Bandhasan. So your knees up, feet just close to each other, palms facing down on the ground. Now slowly lift up your back, lower back up, hands still touching the floor. This is without any support. So stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, down, down. Now next one is with support of your palm, lower palm. So again, when you are ready, lift your navel back and hold it in your palm. Now this time it gives you more stretch. Get support of your elbows. Stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly down, down, down. Relax. Now we'll do Supta Rajakapotasana, the pigeon pose. So right leg just on top of your left leg, on the thighs, left thigh. Then pull it upward towards your body. Now hold your leg from the lower thigh and pull it towards your head. Then you can keep your head down and pull still back close to your chest. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down, down, down. Swap your leg, left leg on top of your right. Okay, adjust. Now pull your right leg up, then hold your lower thighs and then up. First go towards your knees and then slowly go back and pull your feet close to your chest. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, release, relax. Next one, I'll sleep in and change the direction so that you can see. So there are 3 ways of Markatasana we are doing. Markatasana, just keep lying down, your knees up. So we'll do the normal one. So bend your feet onto right side. So left feet onto your right feet in the same way. Okay, now your hands spread in one line and then look towards the left side, other side. Look at the side where your knees are not bent, so other side, and then keep looking at the palm of that left hand. Stretch. 3, 2, 1. Slowly get your feet back to middle and now to left side. The right feet leg is on left leg and now look on to right side. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Now spread your legs roughly 1 feet. Now the same one, but this time the left knee goes onto the right sole on the bottom of your right feet. Okay, and then look onto left side. You can check my position, leg position, and now look onto left side, and you'll feel stretch to different part of the glute joint. So 3, 2, 1. Slowly up, up, up. Now onto left side. The knee of the right knee onto left toe or sole, and look onto right side. 3, 2, 1. Slowly back to up, up, up. Now keep your feet down completely onto the floor. We'll do the third variation. So you lift up your left leg and put it onto right side. You can hold the big toe as well. Keep both feet knees straight, and then left hand to left side and look onto left side again. If you can't hold, it's okay. Just keep it wherever you are comfortable. 45 degree, 50 degree, 60. Max is 90 degree. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Slowly get it down. Now right leg across to left side. Again, hold your big toe. Keep both knees straight and look onto right side. 3, 2, 1. And then slowly release. Now next one is straight one. Supta Pada Angustasana. So we are Supta means you are lying down. So we'll start with right leg. So lift up your right leg on right side. No twisting. And hold your toe if you can. First, get into position. Once you're in position, now look onto left side. Keep both knees straight if you can. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, release, and down. Now onto left side, slowly. So lift up your left leg onto left side. Hold your big toe, both knees straight. Get at least above 90 degree. Right hand on right side and look onto right side. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, release, release. You can just be lying down, relax, take some breaths. I'll just check the next poses. Okay. Now just keep your knees up, feet down. And we are going to do two more poses here, Sarvangasana and plow pose. Okay. So I'm just adjusting. So Sarvangasana is shoulder stand. See if how much you can do. So do not, overdo. Just slowly lift your legs up and then lift your body up and hold your waist back. If you can, use your support of your elbows, balance it. Try to keep your body perpendicular. Then slowly you can lift up. If you can, just do as much your body is allowing. When you're going down, do it slowly. Do not just flick it away. Do it slowly. Do not rush. You can stay here for 5 counts if you want. If you're struggling, you can just try to do as much your body is allowing. 5, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, with the support, get the feet down first, knees close to your chest, and slowly back on the floor and down. Now, next one is plow pose, halasana, where we try to keep our toes back all the way. So, hands on the ground, lift up your feet, and then slowly go back, go back. Uh, Try to touch your feet on the floor. 3, 2, 1. If you, if you can stay for longer, slowly get support and then down, down, down. Relax. Just continue the music. Just relax. Just relax. We are going to finish now here. We'll just do some breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Some of the asanas that we did are very good for the lower back. The bridge pose, the Markatasana, the side ones, So they are very good for cure your lower back pain slowly. But don't do any yoga when it's hurting. When it's not hurting, then do it slowly, regularly, and your lower back pain will go. Okay. So slowly lift your body up and then sit down into Sukhasana, and then we'll do a pranayam. You can just take a break for 10-15 seconds if you want to drink some water or anything. And then just sit into Sukhasana, easy pose. Relax, back straight, neck straight, head. Concentrate on your nose tip, but now close your eyes. Make a Jnana Mudra, index finger forcing onto your thumb. We'll do pranav, where we'll do deep breathe in, breathe out, 5 seconds, inhale, 5 seconds, exhale. Okay. So up to 30 to 45 seconds, we will do it. Start. Okay. Now normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Om, Omkar. It's called Udgit. Basically, we'll chant Om, all the 3 syllables, U and Ma. So make sure you just change your lips. First, open them, then round shape for U, and then for Ma, close it, close it. That's it. It will automatically make the sound. We'll do 3 times. Start. Breathe Breathe in again. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one, we'll do Kapalbhati. So deep breathe in and exhale continuously 1 per second. Again, the health warning, BP, heart problems, avoid it. Or you can exhale, inhale. If you're pregnant or about to get pregnant or periods, don't do it. We'll do up to 15-20 seconds. Okay, so deep breathe in. Start. When you are done, normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one, Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shuddhi. So make Vayu Mudra, index finger force onto your thumb. With right thumb, close your right nostril, breathe in from your left. With middle finger, close your left nostril, open your right, breathe out. Breathe in from right, close your right, open left, and breathe out. Now we'll do 2-3 times at our own pace. Always finish exhaling on left. Start. When you finish on left, exhale, hands down, normal breathe in, breathe out. Last one is Brahmari, the humming sound, buzzing sound. Again, we deep breathe in and just chant, try to chant Omkar, but your mouth is closed. You end up doing damn. So yeah, you know how you can close your ears only or all your organs, your ears, your eyes, your mouth. We'll do 3 times at our own pace. Start. Mm. Last time. Normal breathe in, without, hands down on your knees. I'll be saying the prayer, Vishwa Pratana. Just say that in your mind after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I'll say the meaning. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hand, brush your palms, make them warm, make them warm, and then make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Transfer the energy, then massage gently your eyes with your fingers. Then your forehead, then side of the forehead, just above your ears, then back of the neck, and then slowly open your eyes. And namaste, dhanyavad. So just about when you do this facial one, is very good. Is basically it will help you get rid of all your wrinkles slowly over the time, and your face also will brighten up. So whenever you do any yogas, eye closing activities, pranayam, always finish with this energy transfer from your palms to your face.